حاليا احنا موجودين في مصنع الزيوت العطرية في مدينة جراس الفرنسية بمصنع اسمه اتراكتيف سنت. بيصنعوا زيوت عطرية وعندهم برضو إمكانية يعملوا برايفت ليبل للي بيحب. يعني بعض الشركات العالمية بتيجي لهون تصنع عطورها. تفضلوا خلينا نفوت نعمل جولة بالمصنع جوا ونشوف الإمكانيات والعدة والمكانات. هون السيلز اوفيس في الشركة. زي ما انتم شايفين المكتب صغير وفيه 4 5 موظفين. هون احنا موجودين حاليا في اللاب تبع الشركة. هون بصير في المكانات اللي بتعمل العطور اللي بيشتغلوا عليها هن بالتفصيل. فاحنا هون في المطبخ تبع الشركة يعتبر. هون المصنع والغرفة الرئيسية اللي بتطلع الدسم تبع الشركة. ده الأنف البشري، الأنف الإلكتروني هي اللي بتصنع عن البشر.
We can analyze the perfume to see what we call the skeleton of the perfume, so the ingredients composing this perfume, and to see how we can get an inspiration from that to remake our perfume with the perfumers.
Right.
So this is just the first part of the process, helping the perfumers, and afterwards the finishing touch are done with the nose, smelling, doing some tests. Some perfume can take up to 10, 20, 30 different tries depending on how hard they are to imitate. But we do our best to have the closest possible to what's on the market.
بالمكان اللي جوا صعب حدا يفوته.
يعني كان سابقا انه يعتمدوا على انفهم بشم العطور.
صح. حاليا المكانات
حاليا صار مثلا فينا نجيب علبه شامبو من السوق يستخلصوا منها العطور يلي بداخلها ويحللوها ويسووا ماتشنج مثلها
بالضبط. ايه يعني البشر ما عاد لهم مصلحه كثير في هذه الامور. المكنه تشتغل بدال العقل البشري حاليا.
What happens here? Can you explain?
So the machine will go and take a small sample from the perfume inside of the vial, and then it will run it through what we call a colonne, which is like a long, small, thin tube. And this thin tube will heat the perfume inside at different temperature, and it will help us get each raw molecule composed of the perfume.
Thank you so much.
No.
وانا حاليا قاعد جنب المكنه وراح اعملكم عطر. ابقى قابلني من نص فرنسا جراس ونروح يلا يا كبير.
Once the perfume is already finished by the perfumer and developed, we will have a small production made only to send to the client. And from this production, we will always keep a trial sample to match the quality sent to the client, to be sure that we always send the same quality to the client. The client has a reference to come back to us.
Very nice.
Whenever we make any kind of production, we analyze it with the machine. Whenever we receive any ingredient, we also analyze it to make sure it's up to our quality standard in order to always have the same smell produced for each production when sent to the client.
Very nice.
And I have one more question.
Yeah, please.
This grabbed my attention, that machine.
This is what we call a densimeter. So it will tell the density of each product, because each product has a different density, and each product we have different, how do you say, physical aspects, physical technicities. And in the what we call the MSDS, which is the safety data sheet for each product, each safety data sheet has all the details for the perfume.
Wow. Very high technology.
We need to.
Yeah.
To give high quality service, you need high quality technology.
Yeah.
It's a robot to store all the samples prepared. So whenever we have a sample need from something that's already prepared, we can directly ask the robot and it will tell us what level, what place, and what range inside to make quickly preparation for the samples.
Don't worry. Yeah. Wow. هذه عطورهم. عطور هذا مخزن عطور تبعهم اللي هن صنعوه.
So as you can see now it arrived,
Yeah.
and it's telling us it's in zone 1,
case 1. Yeah.
So we go back here.
Zone 1, case 1. شايف على السريع حطوا رقم العطر او رقم الحاجه اللي بدهم اياها فورا طلعت في المكان اللي اعطوه. حلو. فبياخد العطر مباشره من غير ما يدور ويبحث عنه بطريقه مزعجه، لانه ما عندهم وقت. ناس ما عندهاش وقت، هدول بيشتغلوا على الدقه. فبيحط اسم العطر على الكمبيوتر بتطلع بياخذوه بيعطوه للعميل.
The office is very new. We just expanded again last year, and this is the new perfumer's office.
Yep.
So on the phone over there is Doreen, which is one of the perfumers, and here you have Miriam, which is an analysis perfumer. As you can see on the screen, she's working with the spike from the analysis machine we had over there to make the first part of the skeleton of the perfume.
هون هو مكتب العطارين تبع الشركة. هون بيجلسوا العطارين وبيشتغلوا الحاجات تبعتهم الإدارية والعملية. فهذا بيعتبر كمان المطبخ تبع العطارين اللي بيخرج منه الدسم كله اللي احنا بناخده بعلبة صغيرة. أنا سعيد جدا الصراحة إنه أنا موجود بهيك مكان. هذا المكان احنا في جراس، تعرف يعني في قلب مصنع، في قلب المعمل، محل ما بيشتغلوا العطر. التجربة جميل جدا. واو.
So to just explain to you, this is the laboratory, what we call the organ. So on the organ you have all the different raw material used for the sample weighing. Here in the lab we prepared both the perfumer samples, so the new tries for new products, and the samples sent to the clients. So the samples that are going to go in the machine. So if you want to...
هذا المختبر اللي هون اللي بيتم فيه عملية دمج العينات وبتنبعت للعملاء عشان يجربوا العطور. مثلا عميل بده يجي يعمل عطر فبطلب منهم المكونات والاشياء اللي بده اياها فبيبعتوا له 10 عينات وهون بتصير. فهذا المكان بيجي الموظف بيركب له 10 عينات مختلفة وبيبعتها للعميل او للشركة وبقول له اي واحد فيهم عجبك، وعلى اساسه بيتم صناعة العطر من هون.
We mix everything together, so you can see over there the perfume mixing to get what we call homogeneous. So that's all of it is in all the oil is one perfume. Because before you have some powders, you have different ingredients. Yes, here is already the final oil. That's the same kind of product we're going to sell in bulk to our clients.
Wow.
This is the final step for the sample, and afterwards we go to the production.
لا أعملكم عطور أخرب فيها الكوكب. القادم عظيم، وبقوا قبلوني. الريحة لما تخش المصنع واو.
So this is the first part of the production. Once we receive the order is transmitted to the robot. So we have a sticker put on the pot over there. And the robot will scan the sticker and know what raw material he has to put in. So the robot is going to weigh up to 400 different raw materials. Here in the small parts, it weighs up to 300 different ones and up to 5 kg. Afterwards, we can mix it with the bigger tanks we have behind it, because there are two robots working together, depending on the size of the order we get.
This is one of them.
Yes, this is one of them, and the second one is just right
واو.
the next line.
هون بصير خلط العطور بالآخر آخر عملية.
This one is the second one. This one can weigh from 10 kg up to 500 kg with the other tanks you have behind.
هون بصير التعبئة الخلط الأخير للعطور.
Those two robots help us automatize half of the production process, giving us less work for the workers. And then for the second part of the production, everything is still registered on the computer. So we track every weighing done inside each perfume so that we know if there is a mistake, what's the mistake, and how to fix it before we have to send it to the client. So once the robot is done, we mix the first part done by the small robot, which has all the small ingredients, with the bigger part weighed by the big robot with the big ingredients. It makes us a base that will be filled by the workers.
تعالوا.
So here is one of the last investments we did. It's a gravity weighing system. So we have moving scales linked to the computer, and the worker are going to come under each product, verify it's the right product, scan it with the computer, and the computer is going to tell them how much they have to put for the formula inside. Once we finished, afterwards the product on the other side, I just don't want to go there because some people don't like to be filmed.
Okay.
But afterwards, it's the same process as you had in the lab. The perfume is mixed to be homogeneous. We take a sample which is controlled by the quality control we just saw to make sure the production is fit for the client. and then we pack it inside of the bulk container, sent to the client.
Wow. It's very hard work. Very hard
A
work.
lot of steps, a lot of process that needs to be concise and no error. But we try to control everything to give out the best quality to clients.
Really, you have the very nice material, and the perfume. What you show us is very perfect for.
It's just a little idea of what we are able to do, and we can discuss more and work together on the personalized project that you can need.
We thank you for this nice presentation. We would love to see you bigger and bigger and all over the world.
Thank you very much.
Very nice. I thank you very much.